Modern, elegant house na napaka-charming dito sa BF Homes Parañaque. May lot area na 280 square meters at ang floor area 350 square meters. Meron siyang 3-car garage at nasa loob nga ito ng safe, gated and flood-free subdivision. Meron dong driver's room. Pagpasok, meron na kagad ground floor bedroom. Meron pa yung sariling bathroom. Doubled na rin as powder room. Talagang elegante tong bahay na to. Eto na nga yung double height ceiling sa living area. Panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines para makita mo yung 4 bedroom sa second floor na lahat may sariling bathroom. Tapos meron pang walk-in closet at bathtub sa master bedroom. Ito yung covered na lanay. Tapos meron tong dalawang kitchen